Hello everyone. Now we will start exercise 9.3. In this exercise, the equation is given and we have to obtain the differential equation by taking its derivative. See first question. X upon A plus Y upon B is equals to 1. Now here the question is up to which derivative we will take. Either first derivative or second derivative or third derivative or how much. It will depend upon the number of constants. Clear? There are two constants A and B, variable constants. So we will take second order derivative. Firstly take first order derivative. 1 upon A, derivative of x is 1. 1 upon B, derivative of y is y dash. Derivative of 1 is 0. So 1 upon b y dash equals to minus 1 upon a. So y dash is equals to minus b upon a. But we have to take second derivative. So y dash equals to 0. So this is our differential equation. In the solution, we have to eliminate the constant terms. Here already the constant terms are eliminated. So its solution is y double dash equals to 0. Clear? Second question. Y square equals to a b square minus x square. So see, how many constants are there? Two constants a and b. So again we have to take the second derivative. Firstly take first derivative. Simplify it first of all. AB square equals to minus AX square. So 2y dy by dx equals to 0 minus a into 2x. 2 will be cancelled. So y dy by dx is y dash equals to minus ax. Now again we have to take the derivative. Left hand side we will apply the product rule. First function derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first is equals to minus a. So y double dash plus y dash square equals to minus a. This is not our differential equation because its solution is containing constant. But we have to eliminate the constant. How you will eliminate? From the first derivative, find out the value of a. From here, the value of a will be y dash upon x. This is the value of minus a. So replace minus a with this value. Y double dash plus y dash square equals to y dash upon x. Multiply x to the left hand side. So it will be your differential equation. X y double dash plus x y dash square equals to y dash. So this is your differential equation. This equation is with no variable, no constant. There are only x and y, two variables. So this is your solution. Clear? So in all the question, you have to take the derivative up to how many constants are there. Clear? Next question. Third, fourth, fifth all are same. All questions are same. You have to take the derivative. Two derivative here, again two here. Here again two derivative. And at the end you have to eliminate the constant term. Clear? Next question number 6 onwards, 6 to 10. Their statement is given. First of all, you have to make the equation, then form the differential equation. How to form the equation? Form the differential equation of the family of circle touching the y-axis at origin. See how to frame the equations. In sixth question, we have to form the differential equation which touches the y-axis. If it touches the y-axis, then its center should be lies on x-axis. Maybe this circle, maybe this circle, but all the centers will lie on if the general point on x-axis is a comma 0. So what will be the equation? X minus a square plus 5 minus 0 square is equals to radius will be a. Clear? So open the identity, x square plus a square minus 2ax equals to plus y square equals to a square. A square cancelled, so x square plus y square equals to 2ax. This is the equation. Now from here we have to obtain the differential equation. See, in this equation there is only one constant, that is a. So we have to take only first derivative. Take its derivative, 2x plus 2y y dash equals to 2a. Divide by 2 equals to a. This contains a, but we have to eliminate this constant. Find the value of a from this. X square plus y square upon 2x. Put here. Cross multiplying, 2x square plus 2x y dash equals to x square plus y square. Simplify it. 2x square minus x square is x square minus y square plus 2x y dash equals to 0. So this is your differential equation. First of all, from the statement you have to obtain the equation, then take its derivative. If there is any constant remains, then eliminate this constant from these two equations. Clear? Similarly, 7th question. Form a differential equation of the family of the parabolas. Now there are parabolas having the vertex at origin and axis along the positive y-axis. Positive y-axis means to say this type, upward parabola. What is the general form of the parabola? General form of the upward parabola is x square equals to 4ay. Now again there is one constant, so take its first derivative. Clear? What will be the derivative? 2x plus is equals to 4ay dash. So x is equals to 2ay dash. Value of, or you can find the value of 4a only, because in the first equation there is again 4a. From these two equations we have to eliminate 4a. From first equation find the value of 4a, which is x square upon y. Put in the second equation, 2x equals to x square upon y into 1 dash. So 2xy equals to x square y dash. This is the solution of this equation. Clear? So next question, form the differential equation of family of ellipse. Ellipse, you know what is the equation? X square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. But here it's foci on y-axis and center at origin. So what will be the equation? See in the ellipse. Foci on y-axis. So our ellipse is in the shape of this. Clear? If foci is on x-axis, then ellipse will be of the form this. Now we will take this because foci is on y-axis. And equation will be x square upon b square plus y square upon a square equals to 1. Now take its derivative, same as first question. Then find the differential equation. Same in the hyperbola, there will be a minus sign. In 9th question, equation will be x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. Clear? Last question, 10th. Form a differential equation of a family of circle having the center on y-axis and radius is 3. Again see, center is on y-axis. So center general form is 0, a. and radius is 3. So we will consider 3 here. So x minus 0 square plus y minus 3 square is equals to 3 square. 9 cancel. So take its only first derivative. Clear? Last 11th and 12th MCQ, there are again same, you have to find its solution. Equation is already given. Clear? Next exercise. These are the exercise in which we have to find the solution. Clear? Next exercises 9.4, 5 and 6. In again we will find their differential equation will be given to you and you have to find its solution in this form. Clear? So there are 3 types. First is direct to separate the variable, second is homogeneous, and third is of the equation type. Clear? First of all we will discuss how to find the solution by separating the variable. In exercise 9.4, see how to solve the questions. Exercise 9.4, find the general solution. dy by dx equals to 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. We have to find the general solution. Differential equation is given. Now we have to integrate it. First of all, separate the variable. Y variable on left hand side and x variable is on right hand side. Now integrate both sides. Integration of dy is only y. We have to integrate this. First of all, apply the formula 1 minus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. It's 2. Sorry, there will be sin square x by 2 and here it is a cos square x by 2. So it will become tan square x by 2. How to take the derivative integration of tan square x? Its identity is secant square x by 2 minus 1. Now we know integration of secant square is tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 upon 1 by 2 minus x plus c. So y is equals to 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. So this is your general solution of this differential equation. Clear? In these questions, the differential equation will be given to you. First of all, separate the variable, y variable on left hand side, x variable on right hand side, then take the integration. Clear? So this will be your differential equation. See, second question, dy by dx equals to root 4 minus y square. Now left hand side dy upon under root 4 minus y square equals to dx. Now integrate both sides. Integration of this is sin inverse pi by 2. So x plus c. So this is your equation. You can simplify it. Y by 2 is equals to sin x plus c. Then multiply by 2. So up to which step you can solve, it's your choice. But if there are MCQ, then you have to solve according to your options. Clear? Next question. Again, third question, very easy. dy by dx plus y equals to 1. First of all, shift y to right hand side, then to the denominator. Now integrate. Integration of this is log. So this is your answer. Simplify it. Multiply minus with on right hand side. Log 1 minus y is equals to minus x plus c. So this is your solution. Clear? Next question, fourth, again same. This you have to separate the variable and then take its integration. Next we will solve question number 10. How to take the integration? Firstly, separate the variables. The 10th question. First of all, shift the second term to the right hand side with negative sign. On left hand side, ex tan y dx equals to minus 1 minus ex secant square y into dy. Now shift the x term to the left hand side and y term to the right hand side. Ex dx upon 1 minus ex, and on right hand side secant square y upon tan y into dy. Now see, on left hand side there are x terms, right hand side y term. There will be a 1 minus sign. Now take the integration. How to take its integration? You can shift negative sign to this side and integration will become ex upon ex minus 1 dx. Now see, ex minus 1's derivative is in the numerator. Similarly here, derivative of tan y is in the numerator. So its integration is log of ex minus 1 log of tan y plus you can write down log of c. So answer will be, by applying the log property, ex minus 1 is equals to tan y into c. Clear? So this is your complete solution. So all the 10 questions are same. Next, 11th question. Now we have to find a particular solution. Up to this point all the questions are same. First of all, you have to find the general solution. Next, condition will be given to you. According to that condition, you have to find the value of this constant c. Clear? See, 11th question. X3 plus x square plus x plus 1 into dy by dx equals to 2x square plus x. First of all, say shift the x terms to the one side, to the right hand side. Dy is equals to 2x square plus x upon x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 into dx. How to take the integration of this term? First of all, simplify it from the numerator. Numerator will be same. From the denominator, x cube plus x, take x common. Second and fourth term. So it will become x plus 1 into x square plus 1. Now you will apply partial fraction here to take its integration. You know what is the partial fraction? 2x square plus x upon x plus 1 is equals to a upon x plus 1 plus bx plus c upon x square plus 1. Now we have to find the constants a and b. How you will find the constant? You have to make 3 equations because there are 3 constants which we have to find. Substitute. First of all, simplify it. 2x square plus x is equals to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 1. First of all, put x is equals to minus 1 because this term will become 0. Add x equals to minus 1. 2 into minus 1 square plus minus 1 square, and this term will become 0. 2 minus 1 1, a into 2, so a is equals to 1 by 2. Similarly, we will find b and c terms. Now on simplification we get b 3 by 2 and c minus 1 by 2. So our integration will become y is equals to 1 by 2 upon x plus 1 dx plus 3 by 2x minus 1 by 2 upon x square plus 1 into dx. Again we have separate this term. Its integration is log of x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 integration of x upon x square plus 1 dx minus 1 by 2 integration of 1 upon x square plus 1 dx. So same derivative of this is here. Derivative of x square plus 1 is 2x, so we will multiply and divide it by 2. So its integration will be log of x square plus 1. There will be a formula of tan inverse x and there is a constant. Now we have to find the value of this constant. Here conditions are given to you. Y is equals to 1 when x equals to 0. If you will put x 0, y is 1. X 0. Log of 1 is 0. Again log of 1 is 0. Tan inverse 0 is again 0. So c will be equals to 1. So for the particular solution, this is the solution. Instead of c you have to write down 1 here. Clear? So this will be your particular solution. First of all, there is the same step to find the general solution, and at the end you have to put the condition to find the constant. Clear? So all the up to 15, 16 all questions are same. You have to find first of all general solution, and then by putting the condition you will get the particular solution. Clear? So this is your exercise 9.4 to find the general solution from the differential equation. Clear? Thank you so much.